This video covers CasaOS versus Home Assistant. Choosing the right home server platform can transform how you manage smart devices and automation without complex setups. CasaOS offers simplicity, while Home Assistant provides deep customization. CasaOS and Home Assistant are popular home server platforms, but serve different needs. CasaOS focuses on user-friendly plug-and-play experience, while Home Assistant excels in advanced automation and extensive device integration. The core difference is ease of use versus customization depth. CasaOS is an open-source home server platform designed for simplicity and ease of setup. It works by providing a clean, intuitive web interface that allows users to manage their smart home devices, media servers, and file storage without technical hurdles. CasaOS supports Docker apps, making it easy to install popular services like Plex, Nextcloud, and more. Its strengths lie in its minimal learning curve and straightforward design, ideal for users who want a hassle-free home server experience. However, CasaOS has limitations in advanced automation capabilities and fewer supported integrations compared to more complex platforms. It is best suited for beginners or those who prefer managing their home network and media with minimal configuration and maintenance. Home Assistant is a powerful, open-source home automation platform built for users who want full control over their smart home ecosystem. It operates by connecting to thousands of smart devices, sensors, and services through integrations and custom automations. Home Assistant's strengths include its extensive device compatibility, flexibility, and active community support. Users can create complex automation rules, customize dashboards, and extend functionality with add-ons and scripts. The platform requires more technical knowledge for installation and configuration, which can be a barrier for newcomers. Its limitations include a steeper learning curve and more time investment to maintain and troubleshoot. Home Assistant is ideal for tech-savvy users and enthusiasts who want a highly customizable and scalable home automation system. Comparing CasaOS and Home Assistant highlights the trade-off between simplicity and customization. Casa's is perfect for users who want a quick, easy setup to manage media, files, and basic smart devices without diving into complex configurations. It's a plug-and-play solution ideal for casual users or those new to home servers. On the other hand, Home Assistant offers unmatched flexibility and integration options, making it the go-to choice for advanced users who want to automate every aspect of their smart home. While Home Assistant demands more time and technical skill, it rewards with powerful automation and customization. Choosing between them depends on your comfort with technology and how deeply you want to control your home environment. CasaOS is recommended for users seeking a straightforward, easy-to-manage home server with essential features and minimal setup effort. Home Assistant is the better choice for those wanting advanced automation and extensive device compatibility. Its flexibility empowers tech enthusiasts to tailor their smart home experience fully, making it a powerful platform worth the learning curve. Choose based on your needs and technical comfort,